In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some money with your pressure washing business. Today on Mr. Bubbles. Alright guys, welcome to the Mr. Bubbles channel. As always, we got great content for you. We're out here. This is our 5th job today. Now, she just got a call from one of the neighbors, and I'm waiting on that, and we're probably going to pick that one up, and that one's going to be number 6. And I wanted to talk about this because we're cleaning this house here. And how we picked up this house was because of that yard sign right there. We did a neighbor here. That sign says, this home was power washed by Mr. Bubbles. You see the sign there. And we put this in another house here in the neighborhood. This guy saw it, right? This guy where we are. And he called, and that is, why we're here. It's a great hack for you guys. And, I tell you all the time, on the channel, guys, you just want to copy success. Flip this camera around for you guys. You guys, what you want to do is you want to copy success. You don't want to try to reinvent the wheel, because that's going to cost you time, energy, effort, a lot of money. You're going to go through a lot of no's in terms of doing things that are not going to work. And what I recommend you do is those 6x9 postcards that we talk so much on the channel about. And then also, your yard signs out there. You think about it, when we leave, this sign is going to stay up there. And now we're going to pick up at least one. I would say at least one. Probably more than one. We're probably going to pick up, don't want to trip on the line. We're probably going to pick up, 2 or 3 more customers in the neighborhood because of that one sign. And by the way, a bunch of you guys asked me this, where I get my signs made. I get them made, and I'll put them up. I'll put the website up here for you for your convenience. I get my signs made at 𝐼'sprint.com. I ordered recently 500, and that's to last us, the first 90 days of the season. And 500 with shipping cost me right around 1,000. It was like 1,098, I want to say, right around there for 500 of them. And so let's say, the sign cost me $2. Let's say it, $2. Let's throw a number out there, $2. So, it already picked up here, this is a $399 house wash. It already picked up one $399 customer, and then this one's going to get another one. And again, 500 signs. Do the math, guys. It can add up very quickly for you. Let's see what our guy's doing here. So, and for those of you who are wondering what it is that we're doing, we're downstreaming this house with a 50-50 mix, a 6% solution. And if you don't know what that means, and if all of that is kind of mysterious to you, you don't know anything about chemicals and stuff, what I recommend you do is you watch episodes 140 through 150 on my channel. It's an actual series. It's a down streaming series. And what's great about that series is I actually teach you exactly how I make my house mix, like the Mr. Bubbles actual house mix. And then I think we did either 10 or 11 houses where, you're with me. Each one of those videos, guys, are like an hour long. And you're with me, and I'm showing you step by step and, pressure washing techniques and things of that nature. But for the purposes of this video, we're talking about marketing. I think the top 3 forms of marketing that are really going to help you get a lot of customers in pressure washing, guys, is, the postcards. I talk about the postcards a lot because we do them. So, when I say the 5 arounds, right? What I'm talking about, and here he's got no neighbors in front of him. So we're going to do 3 houses that way and 3 houses this way. So that's 6, but you want to do at least 5. We're just doing 6 because this is one of our main neighborhoods here. And it's also supposedly our last job, but we might pick up one more here. So, you want to do the yard sign for sure. Yard sign. That's next. I was talking about postcards. You want to do the postcards for sure. I order those from cheapdoorhangers.com. You order, man, I would order 1,000 of them. Will only cost you $200. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. I didn't want the chemical to hit the camera. $200 for 1,000 of them. You're searching out dirty homes, and then you literally just go up and you put a flyer on their door. And that, by the way, that form of marketing is called target marketing, right? Because you're targeting specifically the person that's gonna need your service, right? And by the way, he's about to change to water from what oh, yep, there you go. First you lather up the house. You're gonna lather up the house with your solution. Then when all of the bacteria, all of the mildew, the algae, the mold, when it's all gone, and you can see here, I mean, this house is spotless, but when we got here, it was black and green. And so what he's doing now is he's changing out, he's putting the siphon tube, he's taking it out of the chemical and putting it in the water. And then he's going to continue to run his soap tips. And that does two things. Once we're going to rinse off all the chemicals. And then the second thing is we're also rinsing out the downstream injector when we do that, right? So you see that? That's what he went to the back of the truck to do. Building a successful pressure washing business doesn't have to be hard. I've coached hundreds of guys in the industry and always noticed the same mistakes: underpricing jobs, wasting money on bad marketing, focusing too much energy on the wrong parts of the business. That's why I built an extensive pressure washing course called the Wash Life Mastermind. Guys, this is a complete pressure washing blueprint with over 20 hours of in-depth training, detailed notes, step-by-step checklists designed to help you grow a real business. Now, we're talking pricing, marketing, sales, systems, finance management, everything I use to build Mr. Bubbles into a successful pressure washing company. So if you're tired of fumbling your way through the dark and you're ready to build your business the right way, check out the Wash Life Mastermind today. And now he's going to start the rinsing process. Remember, when you guys wash a house at the very end, the house, the windows, and all the plants have to be chemical free. But anyway, so number one hack, guys, for you is your postcards. That is how we get about at least 25 to 30% of our customers, on an annual basis, is through the 5-arounds, through those postcards I was telling you about. Number two is that hack. Let's follow him around here, guys. That hack that I told you about, the yard sign. Every time you go do a job, what you want to do is just put a yard sign out. The sign literally says, house wash by Mr. Bubbles. And, oh, by the way, I'll put up my new design, because that one right there was the design that we were using last year. But, we're always updating our marketing, guys. We're always changing things up. Not our color schemes and our names and all that. Obviously, that's part of our branding. But, we're always looking to like an upgrade on our, on all of our marketing. But anyway, so I'll put up that design of the new one. Remember, I told you I ordered 500. I'll put up here for you guys the new design so you can see what it looks like. And if you're not very good at doing designs, guys, that's okay. I would go to Fiverr.com. I'll put up the website here for you, Fiverr.com. You can order, you can go in there and order like, what is it called? Like a freelance, person, designer. They'll charge you anywhere from $5 to maybe as much as $30 to create that design for you. And everything that I have, guys, in terms of my marketing, you just send me an email, ask for it, and I'll send it to you. So then you can, send it to somebody and you can copy that same design. But anyway, there you have it. So number one, we talked about postcard. That's your number one hack. Number two, we talked about the yard sign. And then the number three hack that is going to get you the most amount of customers is door-to-door sales. This is something else that, we've been talking about door-to-door sales. Good God. I mean, since forever, I think. Well, I started the Mr. Bubbles channel going on 4 years, or is it 3? I'm sorry, guys, 3 years that we've been, doing the Mr. Bubbles channel. And we've been talking about sales ever since like the first or second video. you get yourself a sales pitch. I can send that to you. I can email you my exact sales pitch that I use. And you could just go out and, literally knock on the door, use an elevator pitch, 30-second pitch. And it's going to work great for you. You're going to be able to pick up a lot of customers. Because think about this, guys. People want to do business. Customers want to hire companies they know, they trust, and they like. So the bottom line is, if you're out there like, us, we're right here, right? It's a great example. We're right here. There's a yard sign right there that I showed you guys. And while he's finishing up here, I'm about to go do my 5 rounds, right? But, you knock on these doors and you talk to these people, they already see you. Right? They see us. They see the vehicle. They see the trucks. They see my uniform. They see the work that we're doing for the neighbors. So the chances of me selling to the neighbor right here is, it is very, very high because of that trust factor. So that's what I want you guys to work on. Create your postcards, create your yard signs. Remember, these are not yard signs that you're going to, be putting out bandit signs all over town. These are specifically targeted in the houses that you're doing to target the neighbor. And then the other form of target marketing that you're going to do, because that's really what we're talking about in this video, is target marketing. The other form is door-to-door sales. You're going to literally drive around affluent neighborhoods. By affluent, I mean really nice neighborhoods, homes that are like $400,000 or $500,000 and up. And you're going to knock on your door, elevator pitch, and you're going to literally sell. And, if you guys copy that blueprint, guys, you use those hacks for your business, because, this right here, those 3 things that I told you, is how we're getting easily about 35% of our customers. And, if it works for me, of course, it's going to work for you guys as well. But, there you have it, guys. I really appreciate you coming to the video today and watching this, how to build your pressure washing business video. Highly recommend you stay tuned to the channel, because we're going to have a lot of great content for you all year long. I tried to put out a lot of videos this past week, but it's been a crazy weather. As a matter of fact, what day is it today? Today's Saturday. On Thursday, guys, we got 8 inches of snow. That was 2 days ago. And so I'm going to get out there, make a lot of content for you guys to help you grow your business, and that is the purpose of the Mr. Bubbles channel. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.